Say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
What is good, my Supreme Team? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. Now, today's video is gonna be a hair video. So, before I get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is my first ever wig. So, some of the techniques that I use throughout this video may not be what everybody else uses, but it's what keeps me looking good, fly, and popping, okay? So, just bear with me. And second of all, I don't like to wear my glasses throughout videos because of the glare that you see. That's why I'm getting my other pair refixed, so stay tuned. You'll see a new pair of glasses, don't worry. So without further ado, let's jump on into the video. But first, if you're new or returning and you have not already hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Hit that damn subscribe button down below. It is right here. I will wait for you. Thank you. Now let's jump on into this video. Alright you guys, so today's video is gonna be a wig review. Now I know you're looking like, a wig review, what wig? The gag is, this is a wig, girl. Ha, boop, let me stop. But yes, this is a wig, but you can't even tell because I made it look so natural and fluorescent and whatnot. But the place that I got this wig from is called BLISS Wigs, and this is on AliExpress. Now I'm gonna link the link below to the direct store, and I'm also gonna link the link to this direct wig, so don't worry. But the wig comes in this little box, and it also comes with a wig cap, so don't worry, you do not have to buy a wig cap. 2 wig caps in it, so don't even worry, you'll be set for life, don't worry. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I put this on. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to make it laid and slayed and whatever, and I'm also gonna tell you how I feel about the hair, because you know I'll keep it real, okay? Boom, let me stop. So sorry guys, I had to put back on my glasses, so just bear with me with the glare because I need to see what I'm doing and I don't want to be looking crazy. So yeah, so first you're gonna want to start off with braiding your hair back into cornrows like I did right here. As you can see, hair, got that hair. Now while I was braiding, after I was done braiding, I went in and I put some, this is Kaleidoscope Miracle hair growth drops, and this has really helped my hair grow a lot. So that's the main reason why I got this wig, so all of my hair can grow at the same time instead of getting weaves and having to leave out. So I like this very much. Now the second step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your wig cap and you're just going to want to put it on like so. I already have one open that I have been using, so I'm just going to put it on my head right now, and I'm just going to put it back some so my edges are still out, because I'm going to put some edge control, well not edge control but gorilla snot on my edges. But yeah, you're gonna want to put the wig cap on. Now if you're like me, which is black, then you know that you can't walk outside with just no wig cap like this. So as you can see, I already have like foundation on it, so I'm just gonna add some more. You could use any foundation, you could use setting powder, foundation powder, anything like that you want to use, but you're just gonna need something that is like your skin complexion when it comes to parting of your wig, because you could see everything through the part of a wig, so you have to make sure that it looks as natural and as less like white and pale like this wig cap as possible. So you just pat some of your foundation onto the wig cap like so, and you don't have to put a lot. Well, depending on if you get like a 360 wig or if you just get like a full wig like how I have, and you don't really need it like all right here on the sides or anything like that. So this is how it looks with the powder on it. And now I'm just gonna put some gorilla snot on my edges. Now if you guys know, I don't know if I've made a video or not, but this is what I use to keep my edges so slay and sleeky and just so whoop back to the gods, like oh my god. I'm just gonna take some of that. I get the purple one especially because I don't know, I feel like it holds my hair the best and it is just magnanimous. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna take my edgy brush. Now my edgy brush, it looks like this. This is one side and then this is the other side. Now you could get this edge brush, and you could also get this Gorilla Snot at any of your local beauty supply places. Like, it's not a specific place where you have to go to get this product, trust me. Now I'm just gonna look in my mirror. So my mirror's on this side if you're wondering what I'm looking at, and I'm just gonna take some and I'm just gonna form my little baby hairs, because my baby hairs gotta be on fleek, on fleek. Now with this wig, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna just talk while I'm doing my edges. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I got a little excited because that was my first wig ever, so I kinda cut the lace too short. Now with that being said, that's a mistake that a lot of new wig people, a lot of new people that wear wigs, that is a common mistake that we all make. But I managed to fix it and put it back to make it look like, still like, you know, a wig that can be wearable. So that's why I leave out my edges, because there's no baby hairs on the wig. I like to use my own baby hairs because I don't want to be looking crazy, especially because I'm like I said, this is my first ever wig. I don't know how to cut no baby hairs. I do not know how to cut no baby hairs, and I already went too scissor happy with the doggone lace, so therefore I'm not cutting nothing else on that doggone wig. You feel me? Now I know you're looking at me like, why are you doing a wig review if you messed it up? I'm gonna do it because I want to show you guys that just because you mess up the lace doesn't mean that you can't easily repair it, because it could easily be fixed depending on your wig. All wigs are different. I'm not gonna say every lace can be easily fixed, but yeah. So this is my little baby hairs, and I'm just gonna, some of my hairs went over the wig cap, so I'm just gonna put it in it. So this is how it looks. You know, baby hairs down, baby hairs down. Now usually if I'm doing my real hair, I usually do put a scarf on my baby edges, you know, to lay it down. But I'm not gonna do that right now because you're not gonna see like half of these. You're just gonna see the main part. Now, let me show you guys how the wig came. It came with a lace part that was all the way up, like you know how a lace front wig come, but this is how it looks outside the box. Usually it doesn't come fully straight. It comes like, you know, a little creased because it's been folded in the box, and you know, you don't know how long it's been in the box, because depending on where you live, it takes time to ship. So this is how it looks outside of the box, and it is a middle part. Now I plucked the middle part myself because I wanted it to be more realistic and I wanted to be more deeper, so that's why I did that. I made it look more realistic. And as you can see how short I cut the lace, which is okay because like I said, I fixed it, so it is what it is. And as you can see, the wig lace came the same color as this wig cap, which was like very pale and white. So I just took some of my powder foundation and I just tapped it all over the lace to make it my skin complexion. So yeah, and it also comes with clips, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but it comes with clips. It comes with 3 clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the back, and it also comes with the attachable like strap, so like you could tighten it if it needs to be tightened, and it really helps the wig stay secure on your head, so that's a good thing. And this is real human hair, by the way. It doesn't look like fake hair or synthetic hair or anything like that. Now what I'm going to tell you guys that I did after I plucked the hairline and everything and cut the lace and everything like that and make sure the measurements was good for my hair, I proceeded to wash it, because a lot of people say that it is good to wash your hair first. Wash your wigs first, because you don't know where the wig been, and also you don't know like if this is like a real store, wherever they are at, you don't know if it's a real store, if they're like, you know, people be trying on wigs or whatever the case may be. And also it helps you see like if the wig is good quality, like if you wash the wig and it gets tangled and just like like kinky or stuff like that, then that's how you know that's not a good wig. But I have washed this wig multiple times because I had this wig for about a month now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I had this for about a month now, and I'm just now reviewing it because I wanted to see how well the wig was before I was gonna review it. But yeah, I washed it a couple of times and it came back to its natural state. Now when I washed it, it got a little curly, which is fine because it was like a loose curl, so it wasn't like curly, but it was like a nice little, you know, natural curl. And I just let it sit out for, I let it sit on my little mannequin head overnight to dry. And then the next day I just put it on and I just flat ironed it. But if you guys want to see a video of that, just let me know down in the comments below and I will make a video for that. So I'm just gonna put it on my head right now. Now I'm gonna have it back more because I'm about to put some Gorilla Snot on my real hair. Now I know you're like, Gorilla Snot, what? Like, where's that got to be glue? Listen, let me give y'all a breakdown on this got to be glue. Hold on, because I look kind of stupid right now. Let me give you a rundown on this got to be glue. I don't like that got to be glue. I have the yellow one. I don't know. I was, you know, like I said, I'm still this is still my first wig ever. So when I was trying to like make baby hairs and stuff like that and like lay my hair down on, like, you know, make baby hairs out of the little wig, it kept getting stuck, and every time when I messed up on a baby hair, when I try to, like, you know, go over it, it was just like glued, like literally glued. Like it was like you couldn't fix it, and it was like it just became flaky every time when you try to comb it out. It just made things worse. So I'm like, I'm not dealing with that. So I'm going to be using some Gorilla Snot, and I'm going to take the other end, which is just a comb, and I'm just going to dip it in. Now I'm kind of using this as like a spatula, whatever it's called, but you know, just something that okay, that was not supposed to be that long, but just something that can hold it. So as you can see, I have this part of my real hair out, so I'm just going to gently push it on my hair. Now this is not going to affect your hair. This is not going to pull out your hair because Gorilla Snot is not as strong as got to be glue, so it's not going to pull out your hair in any way, shape, or form. But I don't know, if you do have sensitive hair, then you may not want to put a lot, because I don't know, just don't be putting a lot. All you gotta do is just do a little bit at a time and you will be set for the whole day, trust me. Because Gorilla Snot holds your hair down, girl. Yes, honey, yes. So this is how it looks. And now I'm going to take the lace and make sure the lace is fully out. And I'm just going to place it on top like that. And now that it is on top of the glue, I'm just going, well, not glue, but Gorilla Snot. I'm going to take this little comb with this little metal rat, and I'm just gonna gently like pat it down just to make sure that it is on and it is secure, like that. And now that it is on, I'm just gonna take the clips and I'm just gonna place it in my hair to tighten it. Now I already had like a little curl when I last wore it, so it's kind of still like, you know, I still had a little curl. So yeah, and this is how it looks with my baby hairs along with the Gorilla Snot. As you can see, it doesn't move whatsoever. See, it's secure, so you're good and you're set for the day. Alright you guys, so that pretty much sums up everything that I feel about this wig. It's a very good, nice quality hair. You see how shiny and nice it is? Well, it's not too shiny in person, don't worry. It's not like shine, it's not. But it's nice and flowing and bouncy and moving. But I really like this wig, so if you guys like this wig too, you better go ahead to their site and get your wig. What you waiting on, girl? Get your wig. Alright Alright, you guys, so that pretty much sums up everything that I have to say about this wig as far as the review and how I feel and everything in between. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel. And if you are new or returning and have not already, hit that bell button to know when I post. Hit that bell button to turn on my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.